Hey, so today we're going to do a quick rundown of how to file an extension for individuals in Direct Tax. So let's jump into a test tax return. And as a reminder, none of the information on this tax return is real. This is just all fake information. So individuals extensions are slightly different than business, and they are Form 485068. So the easiest ones are if they're not any payment due. You just say produce form. And then close that, calculate, and then come back over here and select that. Now, the same thing here. If your state has an extension that you need to file, then you need to select it, like Texas or North Carolina or Arizona. They have extensions, and so you'll have to go to the state tax return. So let's find, Texas doesn't matter because they don't have sales tax, but North Carolina, not income tax. North Carolina, if you go here, other extension, yeah, I forgot about that. You can go to the state extension screen and do generate all eligible state extensions using the current year data. Or you can say zero payment necessary, and then for all the states that are on the tax return, it'll create an extension for. And there's an extension. It's ready to file. This extension is ready to file, and you can hit select. There's the 4868. For some reason, the extension is not being selected, but this is a test tax return. And then you can just set it off, and it's that simple. So that is how you file an extension in Direct Tax. So the only addition to that is on here. You can have it, if you've filled out the information as much as you want, you can have it click here, taxpayer is paying the entire amount of tax due. Or you can put any amount here that they're paying with the extension, staying with the state extension screen here. You can come over here and say, okay, if amount was actually paid was different. And then here you can use the current data, or you can come in here and select your state. So say if we're doing North Carolina. Yeah, never mind. You can go in here and put in an amount. So most of the time you don't have to do extensions for states, but here's one for Georgia that's being calculated. So that means, since it's a test tax return, I don't remember what states they have, so we need to come in here and select Georgia. GA. There it is. So they don't have an extension file to file, which is nice. So if we come in here and change the state to say, let's go to North Carolina because I know there's an extension that you can file for that. NC, there you are. All right. So now we can go here. Sorry. NC. So now it's got the NC extension calculated here. And if we go here, we can select to file that NC return as well. NC. There you go. And now we should be able to select it. Yeah, it has issues with the city and state. But that should be how you can set off an extension for an individual tax return.